So you've been thinking about your estate planning and you're wondering, do I do a will or do a trust? Perhaps something big has recently happened in your life and it's prompted you to move forward with this important life planning. And I applaud you for getting this done and getting moving with it. And it can be hard to determine which one of these choices to utilize. So I'm going to give you a few tips today about why a trust is often more beneficial to people during both their lifetime and to their loved ones after their passing instead of a will. Let's first talk about the three main features of a will. Number one, it's only effective upon your death, meaning that it's not going to do anything to help you if you're in an accident or you become ill. It only takes care of certain assets after your death. Number two, it is public. So upon your death, your loved ones need to file your will with the court and make it a public document. That means anyone in the public can see it. And you may not be worried about your privacy at that point, but you should be worried about your loved ones and your heirs' privacy because everyone in the world is going to know that they're getting something from your estate. And then finally, a will does not cover a number of assets like bank accounts, retirement accounts, or even life insurance policies unless you create some very special provisions in your will. So you really want to be thinking about all these things when you make the decision as to whether to do a will or a trust for your estate plan. So let's talk about three of the biggest benefits to doing a trust instead of a will. Number one, a revocable living trust will take care of you during your lifetime, even if you're incapacitated, and it'll take care of your family members after your death. Number two, it's private. It does not need to be filed with the court. So the world's not going to know what's in your trust, and you can keep your family members' privacy secure. Number three, it goes on working for you and your family, even when you're not able to manage it. There are provisions that will create an order for someone else to make sure that you're well taken care of. And finally, you might even be able to get some tax planning benefits from doing a revocable living trust. Are you still a little bit unsure about which plan to use, a will or a trust? Don't worry, we have more information for you. You can click on our link to receive a comparison chart, and you can give us a call for a consultation, and we'll discuss the details for your family to make sure that we're doing the best plan to take care of you during your lifetime and your family members after your passing.